Now if that was just a little bit too fast for you, here's a walk around of the entire home. And if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if any of the projects in this video caught your eye, we have a breakdown of each project with individual videos on our channel, so go ahead and check those out. We also have an Instagram and a TikTok if you want to follow along for even more updates. And for those of you who've watched all the videos in this Project Needle series, we really appreciate it and hope you stick around for even more projects to come. And for those of you interested in the financials, we ended up spending $6,629.67 in total for the materials of this project, but the labor was all free, although hard work. And if you have any questions about this process, whether that be, individual comments about certain projects or just general questions about doing a renovation while potentially living in the property, please leave them in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer them. And next week, me and Bianca might just do a Q&A video answering all those questions. So happy to answer them. And with that, that's a wrap on Project Needle. This was a lot of fun. It was a 3 to 4 month process, but well worth it in the end. And we got a lot more content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and happy building.